Greetings, dear viewers. Today we are going to talk to you about an important topic that concerns many people: joint pain and inflammation. When our joints suffer, it affects our lives, prevents us from enjoying daily activities, and leads to discomfort. We all know that good nutrition plays a key role in our overall health and well-being. And this is where fruits, these wonderful natural foods, come to our rescue. They are the ones that can be our allies in the fight against joint pain and inflammation. The video we present to you today focuses on 5 fruits that can help you relieve pain and reduce inflammation in your joints. Each of these fruits has amazing properties to help alleviate discomfort and support joint health. So let's dive into this fascinating world of fruits and learn how they can be our natural healers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of anti-inflammatory fruits and learn how they can help us fight joint pain and inflammation. Before we begin, let's understand what anti-inflammatory properties are and why they are so important to our bodies. Inflammation is our immune system's natural response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a variety of illnesses, including joint pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of fruits lie in their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. They contain a rich complex of bioactive substances, such as antioxidants and phytochemicals, which help reduce inflammation in our bodies. Now let's talk about the benefits of eating anti-inflammatory fruits for joint pain relief. When we face joint problems and inflammation, eating these fruits regularly can help us reduce the intensity of pain and inflammation. They also help strengthen the immune system and improve overall health. So let's dive into the world of anti-inflammatory fruits and learn how they can be our natural helpers in the fight against joint pain and inflammation. Let's move on to the first fruit to help us fight joint pain and inflammation: pineapple. This juicy tropical fruit not only delights us with its taste, but also has a number of nutrients that help reduce inflammation in the body. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation in joints and improve mobility. In addition, pineapple also contains significant amounts of vitamin C, which serves as a powerful antioxidant and supports the immune system. Studies show that eating pineapple can reduce levels of inflammatory markers in the body, such as cytokines and inflammatory biomarkers. This is especially helpful for people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis and other joint diseases. So how can you incorporate pineapple into your diet? It can be consumed fresh, added to salads, smoothies, or prepared as a flavorful dessert. When choosing a pineapple, pay attention to its ripeness. A ripe pineapple will have a bright yellow skin and a sweet flavor. However, check with your doctor or nutritionist before including pineapple in your diet, especially if you are allergic to this fruit or are taking certain medications, as pineapple can interact with certain medications. So, feel free to add pineapple to your diet for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Not only will it give you freshness and flavor, but it will also help you deal with joint pain and reduce inflammation. Next, let's look at the second fruit that will help us deal with joint pain and inflammation: the cherry. This berry fruit is not only sweet and juicy, but also has a number of nutrients that help reduce pain and inflammation. Cherries contain anthocyanins, which give them a bright red or dark purple color. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, cherries are rich in flavonoids, which also help reduce inflammation in the body. Numerous studies support the link between eating cherries and reducing pain and inflammation in the joints. Some studies have shown that eating cherries can reduce inflammatory markers in the body and improve arthritis symptoms. This is especially helpful for people suffering from gout and rheumatoid arthritis. How can you incorporate cherries into your diet? Cherries can be eaten fresh, added to salads, or baked into desserts. Cherries can also be used to make a flavorful compote or juice. Don't forget to remove the pips before eating. However, as with any new food, it's advisable to consult a doctor or nutritionist before including cherries in your diet, especially if you are allergic to berries. or are taking certain medications. So feel free to add cherries to your diet for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Not only will it give you a nice taste, but it will also help you manage your joint pain and improve your health. Moving on to the third fruit that can help us deal with joint pain and reduce inflammation, the pomegranate. The pomegranate is not only a delicious and juicy fruit, but also a veritable treasure trove of nutrients that can help us manage our joint problems. The pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. They help protect cells from free radical damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Pomegranate also contains flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming pomegranate can help relieve joint pain and reduce inflammation. Some studies have shown that regular pomegranate consumption can help reduce inflammatory markers in the body, as well as improve symptoms of arthritis and osteoarthritis. How can you consume pomegranate? You can enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds, add them to salads or baked goods. You can also make a refreshing juice from the pomegranate or use it in sauces and dressings. Keep in mind that pomegranate contains a lot of seeds, so make sure you don't consume the seeds if you have any relevant medical contraindications. However, as always, it is advisable to consult your doctor or dietitian before including pomegranate in your diet, especially if you have specific medical conditions or are taking certain medications. So feel free to add pomegranate to your diet. Not only is it great for quenching thirst, but it also helps relieve joint pain and reduce inflammation, thanks to its polyphenols and antioxidants. And our next fruit to help us with our joint pain and reduce inflammation is the kiwi. A kiwi is a small, green-colored fruit with bright, juicy flesh. But in addition to its flavor, kiwi fruit also has many nutrients that can be good for our joints. One of the main components of kiwi is vitamin C. Kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C helps fight free radicals, which can cause inflammation and joint damage. In addition, kiwi fruit contains folic acid, which helps repair and protect tissues, including joints. Studies show that kiwi consumption may be associated with decreased inflammation and joint pain. The flavonoids in kiwi have anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory joint conditions. How can you consume kiwi? You may like to eat it simply fresh, cut into slices. Kiwis are also great to add to salads, yogurt, or smoothies. You can make delicious jams out of kiwi or add it to baked goods for a fresh and flavorful taste. Don't forget, it's advisable to consult your doctor or dietitian before including kiwi in your diet, especially if you have allergies or medical contraindications. So feel free to add kiwi to your diet. It's great for supplementing your diet with vitamin C, folic acid, and flavonoids to help reduce inflammation and joint pain. And finally, the last fruit we'll look at today to help us manage our joint pain and reduce inflammation is an orange. Oranges are juicy and flavorful citrus fruits that are not only a pleasant thirst quencher, but also contain many nutrients that are good for our bodies, including our joints. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is one of the most important antioxidants. Vitamin C helps protect tissues from damage and keeps our joints healthy. Oranges also contain beta-carotene, which may have anti-inflammatory properties, as well as dietary fiber, which helps normalize the digestive system and reduce inflammation. Consumption of oranges may be associated with decreased pain and inflammation in the joints. Studies show that the antioxidants in oranges may help reduce inflammatory markers in the body, which in turn may lead to relief of the symptoms of inflammatory joint disease. How can oranges be consumed? Of course, the easiest and most affordable way is to simply eat a fresh orange. You can enjoy its flavor, remove the skin, and cut into slices or squeeze the juice. Oranges are also great for making fresh salads, smoothies, or adding to baked goods. However, if you are allergic to oranges or have medical contraindications, you should see a doctor or dietitian before including them in your diet. So don't forget to include oranges in your diet. They are a great source of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and dietary fiber that can help you manage joint pain and reduce inflammation. We looked at 5 fruits that can help you manage joint pain and reduce inflammation. Let's summarize and draw some key conclusions. The first fruit we looked at was pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain and vitamin C, which have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in joints and relieve pain. The second fruit we talked about is the cherry. Cherries contain anthocyanins and flavonoids, which can help reduce pain and inflammation in joints. Studies support the link between cherry consumption and symptom relief. Pomegranate is the third fruit we have considered. It is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. Consumption of the pomegranate can reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain. Kiwi is the fourth fruit we have studied. It contains vitamin C, folic acid, and flavonoids. Consumption of kiwi can help reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. Finally, orange is our last fruit. It is rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and dietary fiber. Oranges can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. The conclusions are clear. These 5 fruits, pineapple, cherry, pomegranate, kiwi, and orange, can be great additions to your diet to relieve joint pain and reduce inflammation. They have healthy nutrients that will help you feel better. We encourage you to include these fruits in your diet. Try different ways to eat them, whether it's fresh fruit, juices, or supplements. And don't forget to talk to your doctor or dietitian for advice, especially if you have any peculiarities or dietary restrictions. We also encourage you to leave comments below the video with your personal experiences or questions about fruits that relieve joint pain. Your opinions and experiences may be helpful to other viewers. Finally, we want to thank you for watching the video. We hope it was helpful and allowed you to expand your knowledge about healthy living. Subscribe to our channel for more information about healthy eating